I think two is sufficient.
Wait. I don't know. Can, we can ask Coticons or what, based on experience or the contractors, how many previous projects?
In Lego reset, we have two set, one set for contractor, one set for client.
Yeah, archetype. Actually, we don't need from archetype. We just keep the scan copy and the electronic file. We don't need hard copies. Yeah, it does the law. So then two sets.
Mr. Arturo, we currently in our previous project, we usually only have two arms. So one is for the client, one is for the contractor who did the equipment. So I think two sets is sufficient.
Okay. As I said, archetype, we just keep the soft copy.
Okay.
We don't need hard copy for archetype. We don't have a place to keep all these documents. So again, is it clear to everybody how we process the SharePoint?